How to change phone number on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your phone number on Facebook. Now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open your Facebook app. Once you have opened it, simply tap on the three dash icon on the top right corner. Once you are in the menu section, simply tap on the settings icon on the top right corner. After that, simply tap on See More in Account Center. Once you are in your account center, simply scroll down and tap on your personal details. And you will be prompted to a page where your personal information is given, including your contact information. Now, simply tap on Contact Info. And now, here you can see the contact information. Now, the easy thing to do is to add new contact. So simply tap on it. Select Add Mobile Number. Now, in this page, you can enter the phone number and they will text you a code that you will need to enter in basically to confirm that you have access to code. After entering the new code and new number, you can simply associate with the account that you want to connect. You can simply tap on Next and add your mobile number. Now, if you go back, you can also tap on your old phone number and hit delete number at the very bottom. If you want to delete that number, keep that in mind. You can have multiple different numbers associated with your Facebook account. But if you want to fully change it from old number to new number, you can just delete out the old number and it will only have the new one. And that's it for the video. I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.